बदोशों की दुनिया, खाना बदोशों की दुनिया, खाना बदोशों की दुनिया, खाना बदोशों की दुनिया।
Every migrant is contributing to the economy. Every matchbox they buy, every tube of toothpaste that they get, every little thing contributes to the economy of Gurgaon.
So migrants are an important and vital. It's very difficult. Manufacturing, the machine has to run, and no manufacturing unit can function without labor. So it becomes tricky. They contribute a lot. Without the migrant population, I don't think so. Any of these small SME sector manufacturing units will be able to function. Having said that, I think the most typical challenges that SME would face is they're very seasonal in availability. So there are times when there is absolutely no labor, and this is typically the time. It's very hot. They have their crops to take care of. They go back home, come back after 2-3 months. So and being in manufacturing, the last thing you can afford is basically a machine not working, a machine not running. And since it's entirely dependent on labors, you go through your seasonal challenges. If you don't have your own land, then you're more likely a nomad. Either you can work as a contract labor in one of the farms, or you can come to city. Education quality is better, healthcare is relatively better. So those are things which brings them here with family. I think if you look at the West, they have done away with manufacturing totally, and they have shifted manufacturing bases to countries which are relatively cheaper. So that's at a larger macro level. At a micro level, if you see from inside a country, that's exactly what's going to happen. If your cost of manufacturing is going to be high, manufacturing is going to get out of that state. These people come from states wherein the literacy level is not high, so they're not very choosy and picky about the kind of jobs they want to get into. There are pockets in states, specifically in Jammu and Kashmir. In Uttaranchal, you have areas like Badi. In Uttarakhand, you have areas like Sidkhul. These are hotbed industrial estates, and laborers now are starting to prefer to be there. The only downside being the infrastructure is not so great in these areas.
मेरा नाम प्रेरणा है एंड आई वर्क फॉर पीपल कैपिटल, जो कि हमारी खुद की कंपनी है। ये एक कंसल्टेंसी है। हमारे पास जम्मू कश्मीर से लेकर के बनारस, यूपी, बंगाल, बिहार, सभी जगह से लोग आकर के काम कर रहे हैं। हमें उनसे हर तरीके का फ़ायदा होता है बिकॉज वी गेट गुड वर्क फोर्स फ्रॉम देम, एंड सिंस दे कम फ्रॉम स्मॉलर टाउन्स, तो उनके काफ़ी ड्रीम्स होती हैं, वो कमिटेड होते हैं एंड दे वांट टू प्रूव देमसेल्फ। तो उनके अंदर एक अच्छा जोश होता है, प्लस यहाँ आकर के अगर काम करते हैं तो उनको अपनी लिविंग निकालनी होती है, सो दे आर मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल।
खाना बदोशों की दुनिया, खाना बदोशों की दुनिया, खाना बदोशों की दुनिया, खाना बदोशों की दुनिया।